The Text Link plugin allows us to link a series of fonts together. So we have a scene set up here with several fonts in it. We have 3 lines on the left side and then just a line of text at the bottom. And if we had a scene that we needed to change a line of text and we wanted all the other lines of text to change with it, we could use this text link. So we're going to drag a text link up onto our topmost text here. And if we click on the text link, we go into the text link properties editor here, and it's waiting for containers within these blank boxes. So all we have to do is drag our containers over here. So we'll drag container 2 into our container 1 spot. Then we'll drag our container 3 into our container 2 spot. And you can see when we do that, that it's already taking on the parameters of our text 1. So if we slide our container 4 into this blank container 3 box, the text along the bottom will now change. So if we come into our topmost text here and type in new text, all the lines of text will change with it. Now this plugin could also be handy when you have a font and you're not actually using the built-in shadow, but instead you're copying the font and creating a separate shadow for it. So if you needed to type in the text and update the shadow with it as well, this is one way you could do that.